Hello students, the Andhra State Cooperative Bank Vijayawada has recently on 21st July issued a recruitment notification for vacancies of the post of staff assistant. So as you can see on the screen, the opening date for online registration is 21st July 2021. Closing date is 5th August. And the last date for payment of application fee is also 5th August. Date of online test tentative is first week of September. You can see the breakup of vacancies also. It is for OC. If we say open competition, there are 8 vacancies in general and 6 for women candidates. And total there are 25 vacancies of general and 10 vacancies for women. So there are 35 vacancies and the abbreviation is given and the details of I would say the breakup is also on the screen. Written examination will be conducted for all the notified posts. You can see the pay scale and emoluments which are shown on the screen. The scale of pay for the post of staff assistant at present on par with IBA scales is this much. It is given in detail, and the approximate gross emoluments at the minimum of scale of pay is rupees 32,854 as at June 2021, plus other allowances applicable such as conveyance allowance, newspaper allowance, telephone bill reimbursement, medical allowance and other benefits such as contributory PF, medical reimbursement, leave encashment, LTC, medical aid, etc. Eligibility criteria is the candidate should be a local candidate of the state of Andhra Pradesh. The following will be the methodology adopted to define the local candidate of the state of Andhra Pradesh. They have given the definition of local candidate also. The candidates who are residing in AP who are eligible can go through this detailed definition. The required age as on 1/6/2021 should be above 20 years and below 28 years. They have mentioned the relevant dates also, cut-off dates, and relaxation of upper age limit they have shown category wise for SC, ST, backward and physically challenged people. The educational qualifications as on 1/7/2021, they have shown graduate from a recognized university with an aggregate of 40% or above. It's normal, whatever degree is there. Then they have asked for proficiency in Telugu language is desired. Knowledge of English is required. Preference will be given to candidates with computer knowledge. Then comes application fee including bank and other charges. It will be non-refundable and category wise SC, ST, PC, ex-serviceman it will be rupees 500 inclusive of GST. For general and BC it will be rupees 700. Candidates have to pay requisite fee intimation charges through the online mode only. Selection procedure. The selection of candidates shall be made on the basis of the online test examination. The online test examination will be conducted in English. All the eligible candidates who apply with the requisite fee and whose applications are received in time will be called for the online test examination, which will comprise the following. A. Online test examination will be of 100 marks. There shall be negative marking for wrong answers. 0.25 marks will be deducted for each wrong answer. Online test question contents would be as under: English language 30 questions, 30 marks; reasoning 35 questions, 35 marks; quantitative aptitude 35 questions, 35 marks. So total will be 100 marks and composite time of 60 minutes will be given. Next is qualifying in the online test examination. Candidates will have to pass in each of the objective tests. The passing marks in each of the tests will be decided by the bank on the basis of performance of all the competing candidates taken together in each test to a minimum required level. Then it says the test examination will be conducted online at the venue in the following cities. They have given 13 cities. How to apply: detailed guidelines, procedure for application, registration, payment of fees, document scan and upload. Candidates can apply online only from 21st July 2021 to 5th August 21, and no other mode of application will be accepted. Then they have given important points to be noted before registration, so candidates must go through these in detail. Then comes appointment. Candidates selected for current vacancies shall be taken into the service in the order of merit cum roster as per the requirement. The candidate upon selection has to execute a contract bond with a liability for the moment as decided by the Board of Management of the bank, that she would serve the bank continuously for a minimum period of 3 years. This is an important condition. And then there are special instructions also. Candidates can go through these in detail. Then call letters for online examination. All eligible candidates will be required to download call letters from the bank's website. The candidate should download their call letters from the bank's website so and so by entering the details. So this is the end of the advertisement. I'm giving a link of this advertisement in the description of my video. All those candidates who are eligible and interested can apply. That's all. Thank you.